All I saw was 8.
Did you know I have a YouTube account?
Yeah, I do too. Seriously though, I really do. What's your YouTube account, huh?
Huh?
See, that's mine.
Oh, my name is on there is Polecat324 Jr.
What?
Polecat324 Jr.
Polecat.
324 Jr.
What in the world?
Polecat324 is my favorite YouTuber.
You know there might be another junior out there, right?
No, there's not another, because it wouldn't let me put it. If there was, it wouldn't let me do it.
See, I got 3. There's just Silver Phillips and Angel Phillips and then Silver Phillips again.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
10 ways the internet has changed our lives forever. You know you're gonna get that disgustingness right there in the camera, right?
It's not gonna show.
10 ways the internet has changed our lives forever. Not interested.
Who's honking?
The Boy Who Cried Werewolf. No one wants to see that. You wanna watch that? It's called The Boy Who Cried Werewolf. Nobody wants to see that. Gosh.